Hey, this is Meredith from VidProMom.com, and a couple of months ago I published a few tutorials on how to use Adobe Premiere Elements 2018, and I promised that I'd be back with a color correction tutorial with Premiere Elements. So here I am. This is it. I'm partnering with Adobe on this Premiere Elements 2018 tutorial on how to color correct your footage when you're editing your clips together into a fun to watch video with Premiere Elements 2018. Now this applies to clips from your phone or your GoPro or really any digital video clips that you might have. So let's dive into the mysterious world of color correction. We're talking about family videos, hobby videos, fun videos, not feature films. So I tend not to be a perfectionist about this kind of thing, but sometimes your video clips might just look kind of off. Maybe they're a little bit too dark, or if you shot indoors, depending on the settings on your camera, maybe they're kind of a little bit yellowish from the indoor light. So if you feel like your footage has any of those kinds of issues, then hop onto the computer with me. We're gonna head into Adobe Premiere Elements 2018, see what we can do to fix some of those things.